Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's video where we look at question 8 and question 13 on the AQA June 2017 paper 3 foundation tier for the AQA, for GCSE level maths. Okay, right, guys, this video was recorded on Wednesday, the 11th of November 2020. Right, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Abdallah W, and I'm a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. I'm also a private tutor for maths and tutor all levels from Key Stage 1 right up until Key Stage 4 and Key Stage 5. Okay, so GCSE and A-level maths and further maths. Okay, I'm currently doing walkthroughs on my channel for GCSE, AQA, EdXL and OCR for the higher tier and foundation spec. Okay, for anyone sitting exams in June or July next year. Okay, right, guys. Okay, so question number 8 says, so it's a bar chart. So you are told actually, so you are given this bar chart, and the first question says, which quarter was the mode for the away games? Okay, so this chart, guys. So this chart shows, that one's going to be home and then that's away. So looking at my chart, the second has the highest for away. So second is my biggest. So mode means most frequent, so it's most occurring, so it's the highest number. So I've circled second. Right, guys, part B says there were 10 games. Work out the mean number of goals per game. Well, all you do, is just add all these numbers. Okay, so I've not actually drawn it correctly, like to scale, but we are adding 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5. Okay, divide your answer by 10 because the mean you divide by the total number of possible pieces of data. So divided by 10, so it's 47 over 10, which is 4.7, guys. Right, guys, part C. In total, how many more home goals were scored than away goals? Okay, so working that out, so home goals, there were 25 that were scored. Away goals, there was 22. Okay, so 25 minus 22 is 23. So there were 3. Okay, so the answer to part C is 3. Okay, so the away games was 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9. And then the away games was 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. Okay, so it's 25 minus 22, which is going to be 3. Right, guys, part C says, Rob says more home teams must have won because there were more home games. Is he correct? Give a reason for your answer. So I put here that there's no, because they could just score more just in one game. So they could score more in away games that than just in one game. Okay, so they can score more goals than just one game. Okay, right, guys, question number 13. So it says he below is a circle on a centimeter grid. First part says draw a tangent to a circle. Right, guys, a tangent is something that touches the circle. So it's a line that touches the circle. So the word tangent means touches the circle. Okay, so that is what that line is what I call my tangent, guys. So it's a line that touches the circle. So it's important, to understand what that terminology actually means, guys. Right, guys, part B says, so Grace works out the area of the circle to be greater than 9 centimeters. Why must she be wrong? Well, the circle's drawn within a 3 by 3 square grid. Okay, the area of the square is length times length, so it's 3 times 3, which is 9 centimeters squared. Okay, so the area of this whole square has to be 9. Okay, my circle is within that area, so my circle must be smaller than 9. So that is why Grace is incorrect. So the area of my circle is within the 9 centimeters squared for the area of the square. So the area of a square is 3 times 3, which is going to be 9, so it's 9 centimeters squared. So my answer has to be less than 9 centimeters squared. Okay, so that is my answer for that. Okay, so I hope it made sense, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. And lastly, guys, okay, so yeah, lastly, so 2 points actually. So please check out Corbett Maths and the GCSE Maths tutor. And secondly, guys, obviously some of you I think saw the news yesterday about Wales exams being cancelled for GCSE and A level. First of all, obviously, I want to just say, you guys, obviously, don't panic and don't worry. Obviously, we don't know what the English outcome is going to be. Whether it's going to be cancelled or not, actually. But my biggest advice here is please, obviously take a mock seriously in case there are changes that are going to be made, by the government, or by the Department for Education, actually, guys, So please take a mock seriously, guys, actually, and please work hard, actually. So please revise for your exams, regardless of exams happening next year or not. Okay, please do obviously study and revise for your exams, guys, because it is super important. Okay, so my channel will be here to support you guys with your studies. Okay, I'll try my best to be here every day or every other day, to obviously put out videos. Okay, so don't worry, guys, and don't panic. Okay, so I'll do my best to obviously help you. Obviously, like I think I am aware that it's a super challenging, difficult, and a hard time for everyone across the country. Obviously, with like constant like self-isolation, because there's a lot of people that are constantly having bubbles obviously tested positive, so that is causing like a huge strain and just constant distress and anxiety, because obviously time is being missed. But do not panic, guys. Okay, so my channel it is here to support you and here to help you. Okay, all I ask, guys, is please do subscribe actually, and to my channel, share my videos, spread the word. Okay, if you found this useful. Okay, I want to try and get to 1,000 by the end of this year. Okay, and I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway if I manage to hit 1,000 by December 31st. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled actually. Okay, so I'll be offering some big giveaways. Okay, for GCSE maths and A level maths for that. Okay, so keep your eyes actually peeled actually, and I'll there'll be 2 subscribers that will have a chance of getting potentially 3-6 months worth of actually tutoring to help you out with your studies. Okay, but that will only happen, guys, if and only if I hit 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled and tune in for that. Okay, so please subscribe actually, guys, and spread the word. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow and Friday. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy Wednesday. Stay safe, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye now.